In this video, I'll detail how to use personal hotspot or portable hotspot on 100 phone without password. So if you want to use your 100 phone personal hotspot without setting a password or securing it, this video is going to work with you. So if at the end of this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to remove password from hotspot on 100 phone, all you need to do is go to your 100 phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and locate personal hotspot. Then click on set up personal hotspot or set up portable hotspot. Now scroll down to security on the page where you have to set up your hotspot. Click on security. Then here you can either select none or open. So this depends on your 100 phone. If you're using Samsung Galaxy device, you should see open. And for some other Android devices, just select none. Then go ahead and check to save changes. That is going to make your personal hotspot available to anyone and use it without setting or without typing a password. So that's how you can easily use personal hotspot on 100 phone without password. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.